In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bank accounts in QuickBooks Desktop. We'll walk through an alternative method that adds a bank account by uploading a file, rather than connecting directly to your bank. This is especially helpful if your bank connection isn't available or you prefer more control over what gets imported. Start by opening QuickBooks and signing into your company file. Once you're in, move your cursor to the accounting area to reveal the options, then head into bank transactions. This is where all your connected accounts and imported transactions live, and it's the right place to begin when you're setting up a new bank via file upload. At the top of the banking screen, open the Link Account dropdown. Instead of choosing a live bank connection, select Upload from File. This tells QuickBooks you'll provide a statement file yourself. Quick tip before you proceed. Download a statement from your bank's website in a compatible format, typically CSV or Web Connect .qbo. Save it somewhere easy to find, like your desktop or a clearly named folder. If possible, export only the date range you actually need to minimize cleanup later. On the upload screen, click the drop-down to choose the file and browse to the statement you just saved. Select the file and confirm. Next, you'll need to tell QuickBooks which account these transactions belong to. Because we're creating a new account for this bank, click Add New. This creates the ledger record that your uploaded transactions will post to. When the new account window opens, enter a clear and recognizable account name. Using the bank's name plus the last 4 digits of the account number works well, and it makes reporting and reconciliations easier. Then choose the account type. For checking or savings, pick bank. For a card, pick credit card. Selecting the correct type ensures your balances display in the right sections of your reports and that reconciliation behaves as expected. After you've entered the name and selected the type, click Save. That's it for creating the account. You've set up the destination for your upload, and you're ready to continue with the file import and review the incoming transactions. One more tip as you proceed. If your file includes transactions you've already reconciled, consider exporting a more recent date range from your bank to avoid duplicates, and always review the imported list before adding transactions to your books. You've just learned the upload from file path to add a bank account. Follow these steps each time you need to bring in activity without a direct connection, and you'll keep your books accurate and organized.